I'm Robin Clevitt. Welcome to the 101 uses of a multi-tool on tour. So I've got to get rid of some casings or some door linings. I've also got to get rid of the architraves, the stops. I'm not sure whether these had to be kept or not, so I'm going to carefully take them out. I'm going to cut through all of the nails, pull all the components out, put them to one side, and at least then no one's going to be in trouble for throwing the wrong thing away. I like to use for this a 32mm deep cut from the Purple series. It's ideal for getting right in where those fixings are and perfect for this job. So I like to remove architrave and stops using a multi-tool. I had an extra long blade in there. It was 32mm. It was part of the Purple series, and even these stops had a little bit of glue behind them as well. So it's not very forgiving. If you'd have got a hammer in there, tried to smash them off, they would have split. Now we probably won't be able to use them because they aren't particularly good timbers, but we've got them out. They're in one piece. We don't have to denail them. We've also got the architrave off. The next job for me will be simply getting this door lining out by cutting it again through the top, easing it out, maybe cutting through the fixings. So again, a multi-tool with a really good blade like the Purple series, which will tackle wood, nails and screws, is absolutely perfect for doing a job like this.